Mac arrived at Walmart. Alright, team, it's time to get out. We arrive at Walmart. Okay, Mac, you got it. Come on, buddy, get on. Ah. Now we arrive at the Walmart. Do you want to go? Yes. Alright, let's go. Alright. Alright, Mac. See you. And see you too. Alright, guys. Before you have to come quick. Alright, guy. Let's enter outside. They are inside at Walmart. Oh, what is it? Oh, that's a new one. Really? Yes. Let's see what price is. Alright, huh? This is like 10 monopolies. So I have on me. Really? Yes. So, let me see. Alright, let me get it. Alright. Here you go. Wow! That's 10 monopolies. How did you find it? No, I will not tell you. It's a secret. Alright, fine. Okay, let's pick out. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh, welcome to Walmart. Put it there, please. Alright. Do you have 10 monopolies on you? No. I think I left on the floor. Hey, you. Yes? Do you have 10 monopolies on you? Yes. No, I don't know. Let me go and find it. Alright, fine. Did. Alright, let's go. Huh, I got it. Alright, I found it. Alright, thank you. Okay, let me put it on. Alright, take it. Okay, thank you. Alright, you can go. Have a nice day. You too. Alright, kid, let's go. Okay. Let's go. Get it out here. They got out at the Walmart. Already, we are going out. Let's go. Alright, wait for me. Guys, what did you get from? I get from at Walmart. Alright, good. Anyway, come inside. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's put here. I don't think it's going on. No. Hey, it don't work. Okay, we put it up. I should see. Perfect. Okay, now let's go. Alright, we're on our way. Alright guys, get out of here. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's open it. They are open the box. Alright, guys, they are new. Alright, hello, guys. Oh, hello, James. How are you? Fine, thank you. How about you? I am fine. Alright. By the way, what is your name, both of you? My name is Danny Cervez. And my name is Chick Hicks. And my name is Safety Hart. And my name is Doc Hudson. Really? Both of them? You are new? Yes, we are. Good. Alright guys, let's enter. I'm ready for it. Alright guys, let's go. Alright. Alright guys, let's enter the trailer. Alright? Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, enter the trailer. Alright guys, let's go to the hospital to see if McQueen's okay. Everybody arrive at the hospital. Alright, we arrive at the hospital. Alright guys, get out. You come. Alright, you're alright. Now let's go. Wait for me. Alright, man, we arrived at the hospital. So I'm going to see McQueen is fine. Okay? Now stay in there. Yes, you can stay in there. Okay? Okay, wish me luck, guys. Alright, let's enter outside. Alright. When they entered at the hospital, oh, both of you are here. Do you want to see Lightning McQueen? Yes. Alright, sure thing. Alright, you can enter and see it. Alright, thanks. Thank you. Alright, let me stay there. Alright, if McQueen was fine? Yes. Yes, McQueen will be fine. Yes, I hope he will be okay.
Surprise!
Guys, you all see me? Yes, we saw you. Wow, McQueen, how do you feel? I'm feeling better. Alright, now, tomorrow, we are going to upgrade your speed. Really, Tim? Yes, we are going to do it. Alright, thanks, Tim. Alright. Now we are going to the garage to upgrade your speed until you are out of the hospital bed. Alright? Alright. Thanks, guys. Now you're welcome, buddy.